We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 2 of Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2G inventory assignment. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 15, 16, 20, 23 points we have in today's assignment, and then 24 is a non-graded one in which we have to simply save, close file, then submit for grading. So we have 23 questions in today's assignment. Okay, so let me start today's assignment step by step. So here is project description. In the following projects, you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the inventory, bulbs and trees at Fazenda facility. Okay, so that was simply project descriptions. We have to read that project description. Okay, in this way we will get at the end. We just easy to solve that one. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So open Excel workbook, student Excel 2G inventory Excel, download with this project. Okay, that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. Now we are opening that one. Okay, so it is just getting opening. Then in next part, first part is done. Now we are moving toward in next part. In next part we have to change the theme to slice, then rename sheet 1 as bulbs and sheet 2 as trees. Okay, then make the bulbs sheet active sheet. So now we have to change the theme to slice, and there is condition. If theme is not available, then click browse for themes, then navigate to your download files and select slice themes. Okay, so first we have to change the theme and verify is it available or not. So simply click on page layout themes, then find where is a slice theme, is it available or not. No, I think so is it's not available. No, it's available. Okay, here's. If it is not available, then how can we add? Simply click on theme. There is browse for theme. Okay, click on there. If it is not available, that condition, then click on desktop. This one, this one, this one, there, and these slicing. Click on there, open, so that will be added. Okay. So question number 2, first part is done. Then rename sheet 1 as bulbs. So now we have to rename sheet 1 bulbs. Okay, then we rename sheet 2 as trees. Where is sheet 2? There is sheet 2. Rename this as trees. Okay, then make bulb sheet active. Now we have to active bulb sheet, this one. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 3 marks from this question. Okay, in question number 2 we just change the theme to slice, then rename the sheet 1 as bulbs and sheet 2 as trees, and then make the bulb sheet active. And there is condition, if a theme is not available then we have to add that theme to our computer that we have added. Okay, so question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. To the right of column B, insert in two new column to create new blank column C and D. Okay, now we have to create two column to the right of column B here. So mean here first we have to select column C, or right click, insert, then right column again, insert. Okay, now C and D column is created. Then by flash fill using into two new columns, split the data in column B in a column for an atom in column C. Okay, then category in column D. Okay, so we have to in there we in again we have to atom in column C, so that is atom, so we have to in that in column C, and category in column D. Okay, then we have to split data in column. Okay, then now we have to flash fill. Okay, so we have to select this one, then there is option in home, editing, fill, and there is okay. There is flash fill option, but why it is not working there? Okay, so we just fill that one. Okay, so now first we have to write their atoms. Okay, then we have to write in column D category. Okay, done. Now in atoms we have to write just atom, mean 12, 3 or 9. Okay, now we have to make them flash fill, and flash fill shortcut is control E, so simply press control E. Okay, now you may see when we press control E, then that is automatically filled. Now you may compare that atoms number common atom columns. Okay, now same way we write this one, copy this one from here, then write that here. Okay, now we have to simply press control E is the shortcut for that one. So now you may compare that it's also done. So control E is shortcut for flash fill, so that this part is also done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, in first we have to the right of column B we have to insert two new columns to create new blank column C and D. Then by using flash fill in two new columns, we have to split the data in column B into a column for atoms and in column C, and category in column D. We have follow everything, and we just done this part here. Okay, so in this way we have earned 5 marks from this question. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Type atoms as column title in column C and category as column title in column D. That we have already done. Okay, you may see we have already done there. Okay, then delete column B. Now we have to delete column B. Where is column B? Here, select this one, right click and delete that one simply. Then by using cut and paste command, cut column C and paste it in column G. Select column C, right click, cut that one and paste in column G here. Control V. Control insert cut cell. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Control V. So that become this one. Okay. Then and then delete empty column C. Now we have to delete empty column C. Right click and delete that one. Okay. Then apply auto fit column E to F. First we have to select E to F. Then right double click on there, so that will auto fit. Okay. So question number 4 is done. It's just 1 point weightage, but it's quite a lengthy one. Okay. Instead we just type atoms as column title in column C and category as column title in column D. Then delete column B by using cut and paste commands. Cut column C category and paste it in column G. Then delete empty column C. Then in last we have to apply auto fit to column E to F. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Display the trees worksheet. Now we have to display tree worksheet. Then repeat step 3 and 4 on this worksheet. Now we have to repeat step 3 on this one and step 4 this one on that worksheet. Okay, so we just move toward there. Then here first we have to create 2 columns, C and D. Then we have to write there 1783. Okay, then we have to simply, for flash fill, we have to simply use shortcut key, that is Control E, and that is done. Then come on next column, and here we write not trees, this one there. Okay, then here first we have to select this one, then use, for flash fill, use Control E. Okay, that will done. Yes. So this column is just category and this one is item. Okay, so we have display trees worksheet. Then repeat step 3 and step 4 on this worksheet. Yes, we have done, and we have earned 6 points from there. Okay, so question number 5 is done, and now we are moving toward question number 6. Make the following calculation in each of 2 worksheet without grouping the worksheet. Okay, now we didn't make them group. Okay, but we have to do in both sheet. Okay, so in cell B4 enter function the sum the quantity in stock data, and then apply comma style or zero decimal place. Okay, so first we have to move to our cell B4. Where is B4? Is B4. So now we have to sum in before enter function, sum the quantity in stock data. Where is stock data? Okay, here is stock data. So we have to equal then sum, then pass quantity of stock data values to that sum function, then close parentheses and press enter and get result. Okay, then we have to apply comma style zero decimal place. Where is comma style? This one is comma style and zero decimal place. Okay, done. Now we have to apply same. No, okay. First we will done on trees, then we will done on bulbs sheet. Okay. Now in cell B5 to B8, enter formulas to calculate average, median, lowest, highest retail price, then applying counting number format. Okay, so now we have to apply all these. Okay, to retail price. Okay, you may see highest retail price. So here we use average function, average, then retail price is there, so we use this column, then simply press enter and get result. Then we use median and we use again pass retail price. Then we use for lowest we use minimum function and pass same retail price column. Then we pass for highest value we use max and we pass this value. Press enter. Okay, so we just calculate everything according to condition. Okay, now there we have to apply accounting number format. Okay, on there select all this one and apply accounting number format, this one, then simply press OK. Now we will move toward the next sheet, bulk sheet, because we have to calculate there also. So here we use the sum function and pass quantity of stock values. Then there we use we use comma style with a zero decimal place. Then for average we use average function and we have to select retail price column. Okay, for that press enter. Then for median we have to use median function and we have to pass retail price columns to that one. And then for lowest we use minimum function and pass this values, this column, sorry. And then we use for highest value we use maximum function and we use a retail price. Press enter. So question number 6 is done. Question number 6 is have 14 points. So we have earned 14 points after solving this one. It's quite big one. Okay, in question number 6 we have to make the following calculation in each of two worksheets without grouping the worksheet. So that means that we have to work on bulk sheet separately, then we have to work on three sheet. Okay, so in cell B4 we have entered sum function, the quantity in stock data, then apply a common style with a zero decimal place for both sheet. Then in cell B5 to B8, we have to enter formulas to calculate the average, median, lowest highest retail price for both sheet. Okay, after calculating, then we have to apply their accounting number format. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. So in each of two worksheets, make the following calculation without grouping the sheets. Okay, so in cell B10, we have to enter count if function. So again, we have to work both sheet but without grouping. Okay, so first we have to move toward B10, and there we use count if function equal count, sorry, if function. Now what is the range that we have? Count in function to determine how many different types of tools or so how many different types of tools are in stocks on bulk sheet. Okay, so we have to put this one. Then in criteria we have to pass tools, TULIPS, then close, press enter and get result. Okay, so now it's count that how many types are there in category. Okay, so there are 5 types. Then how many different types of evergreen are in stocks on trees worksheet? 12 are in on bulbs sheet. Then in next sheet, in tree sheet, now we have to move to our in tree sheet here, and here again use count if function, and now we have to, what column we have to affect? We have to use evergreen. Where is evergreen? Okay, we have to select this one, category column. Then what is our main goal? Our main goal is evergreens. Okay, done. So question number 7 is done, and we have earned 6 marks from there. Okay, in question number 7 we have to work on both sheets. Make the following calculation without grouping the sheets. In cell B10, enter count if function to determine how many different types of tools are in stocks on bulb sheet. Then how many different types of evergreens are in stocks on trees worksheet. We have done that one and we get the result. Okay, so question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. In question number 8, without grouping the worksheet, complete the following in each worksheet. Okay, so in cell G14, type stock label. Here in G14, here we write G14. Okay, here we write stock label. Then in cell G15 we have to construct if function to determine items that must be ordered. If quantity of stock is less than 75, the value if true is order, otherwise value is false, and write okay. Okay, so in this way we will solve question number 8. Same way we will solve other parts also step by step. So you may see in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. The name of today assignment is Excel 2G inventory. In start, we just discuss project description. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have done first 8 question, mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description, as on in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes, result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, and so you will get A grade 100% marks in every assignment that I will solve for you. So in today video we have discussed Excel 2G inventory. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.